Yeah, good afternoon. This is my friend Dino. Met him back in 2013, and then he moved away to Colorado. And I haven't seen him in 4 years. And this time, we're going here. After about, what, 45 minutes, right? Of like wait time. Tickets are required. Now we gotta meet up with the rest of the crew and get this going.
Tell you something, brother. Today is gonna be nothing but pure pandemonium.
I cannot handle anything taller than what we're doing right now. So, while you guys are having your fun, be like, oh.
To me, I was terrified of roller coasters when I moved out here. These guys brought me out here and took me on these things. And now I can't get enough of this shit. It's like sensory overload. It's like hooking myself up to a metaphorical set of battery cables. And just...
There he is.
I don't have to pee anymore. Woo! Yeah, I had the stranger sniff.
Woo! I see you leave, and then 30 seconds later, I see you come back, but there's a lot that happened in that 30 seconds, you know what I mean? I love seeing the expressions when they leave and the expressions when they come back. Because they come back like, oh, they leave like, woo! They come back like, woo! What happened to you?
I need my vape.
I won't be going on this one either.
Mine card.
A little bit, yep.
Do you drive the Subaru? And then while he's over there dipping, man. Gotta keep that Copenhagen cold. I give these maximum lifespan of 8 days.
Be sure to keep your head back and use the headrest at all times. Go outside and enjoy your ride.
Alrighty, this might hurt me a little bit. Come on, Batman. Oh, almost got
Got him.
him. Right. Again, though, Batman, your face. Like the front back spinning shit while we're doing the whoop-de-whoops. I mean,
What was the technical terms there?
shit happens from time to time.
Dude, just because one person dies, they gotta shut the whole ride. Whatever.
That's a hate crime.
You ever notice there's always that group there? Dude, every group has that one guy.
Yep.
Jameson is that guy.
Oh my God, so much better. Yeah. Thank you. We're on our way to the train, right?
Yes, something
To
we
get-
can actually ride.
Yeah. I'm super stoked about the train. And then it's
With
the
a
Titan.
whopping, incredible, mind-blistering top speed of 2.8 miles an hour.
Now, the Titan's after that, right? Okay, cool.
And the giant.
All right, let's do
Or
it.
the other way around.
Train is closed. There will be no train today. We have to move it. I have escaped. There's no way.
Again! Dude, that put some serious G's on you in those,
Oh, yeah.
in those helixes.
I hear that some people black out.
Yeah. That's the official do not strap over the fat. Tuck the gut.
Never have I seen a roller coaster that actually has a specific place to shame people that don't ride, like me. It's called the chicken coop, where all the people that don't ride have to wait while they play chicken sounds. It's a foul move. Dino, when I met you in 2013, you introduced me to vaping, and we sang together and we hung out together, and you've been through a ton of crap, and you found your way out of it, and you're about to go down a really steep hill right now. So love you, man. So glad you came.
That is truly a rush.
I imagine.
Woo! Again! That would graduate in the Elders Club on Golden Pond. Now that's classic.
That's pretty good. Yeah, man. What do we do now?
I don't know, George.
Guys, we need an adult.
Very quiet. He is on safari.
Scallywag, defend yourself. Broke that one.
Yeah!
I'm almost afraid to admit that we are hearing karaoke at Six Flags.
Somewhere this direction.
I went that away.
I feel like we need some awesome party games.
Oh no.
That's some little sideburns right there.
It's a hard time in the
No, you just have. He has a very captivating gaze. That's all.
Hold on. I got something to catch him with. Straight catch him. That you catch him. Want something for your mom? Oh, crying for mommy.
We hunt the buffalo. Wild too. We eat many days.
A little over.
Bouncing with your laugh.
I don't know how long it takes this.
Hey, you might be getting a divorce later.
Dude, I own one of those. Not in front of the kids.
Yeah. Brian looks like me after I've sat on the toilet for too long. You know what I mean? Yep. You get up and it's like,
Happy birthday, Dino.
Happy birthday, Dino.
Thank you, guys.
So I thought you'd be interested to know, remember those sunglasses that I said had like a max lifespan of 8 days? Never even made it back to Denver with me. They're floating around DFW airport somewhere. Stay beaming.